Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust music volume using nodes in CapCut. If you're new to this channel, please go down, hit subscribe, and leave a like. Now let's dive right in. First, start by opening CapCut. If you're watching this video, you already know the basics, so I've added the music beforehand to make everything go faster for you. Let's begin by listening to the track so you can follow the steps more easily and smoothly. Start by clicking on the music track where you want the change to begin. Then, go up to the volume settings and press Create Node to set your first node. Next, do the same at the point where you want the music volume change to end, creating your next node. To make the change appear, you need to adjust the volume at this node. In this case, I want to lower the volume because there is already outro music playing. The next node we're going to place is where the lowered music will start to increase, so I'm not adjusting the volume here. In the last node, I want the music to be louder than the original starting node. Now that we're finished, the music starts at a lower volume because that fits the video I edited. Then the volume decreases even more during the outro, where the other music is already playing. Finally, at the end of the video, I want the music to return to a normal sound level, which is 0. Now I'm going to play it for you so you can hear the difference. I want to show you one more thing. You can click and hold to adjust these nodes directly on the track if you want. Right now, I'm moving it further away, which means the volume will increase more slowly. Oops, there was a Steam friend coming online. Ha 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 ha. If you found this video useful, please scroll down and leave a like. Thank you for watching. Feel free to make any further adjustments to suit your personal style.